What's up, guys? It's Ben from Underrated Garage here. I'm sitting next to my 300ZX, and I'm making a video today about my interior that I just finished restoring. And there's two final pieces I want to put on it that I'm going to bring you along for the ride for. So my last video on this car was showing you guys the tucked bay setup for this year and explaining how I did that. Here's a little sneak peek. If you have any interest in that, go watch that video. Here's what's going on in the car today. Nardi steering wheel attached to a Works Bell hub. Here's the Works Bell hub with the JDM instructions that I can't read. Now here's the big showpiece that we've all been waiting for. The Nardi Classic. Here's their signature horn button. Now I'm going to pull the Z out of the garage so I can have a little bit better lighting to show you guys the install of these parts. Time to get rid of this. Just look how terrible that is. Unfortunately, my car does not have a horn right now. I will be fixing that in the future, but for now, there's my hub install. Time to make some magic happen. It's on. Now for the horn button, and then the cover. Boom. There she is, all done. This thing looks amazing. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. I ended up just having to pull the car in the garage last night because it was a little too dark for me to get beauty shots of the completed interior setup. Sitting in my 300ZX interior after all this work I did on it really feels great. Obviously, the main showpiece is this Nardi Classic steering wheel, and it has the Tome Duracon shift knob and a Pioneer head unit. Other than that, this is an all-stock, restored Z32 interior. I restored the OEM cluster this winter. My old driver's side door panel actually had cracking at the top here from sun damage, so I actually had to get another OEM door panel, but obviously I couldn't find one with this rare suede interior, so I actually had to swap the upholstery over to make that work. These pedal pads, including the dead pedal, are all brand new. The car actually had an automatic brake pedal last year that was cut in half for the manual conversion, but I got a proper 5-speed Z brake pedal. These carpets, like the actual carpets under the mats, are brand new, as well as the floor mats, all matching. These side panels next to the rear seats were actually brittle and the vinyl was all cracking, so we reupholstered those ourselves. These interior T-top garnishes were falling apart terribly last year, and I thought I was going to be screwed and have to attempt to reupholster it, but I ended up finding these brand new OEM garnishes for that. The car originally had a tan interior, it had leather seats but tweed upholstery, and then I got the parts car that had this charcoal suede interior in it, which was not bad for its age, but definitely needed some love. So this winter is when I did the restoration on that interior. It almost looks like it's only a few years old, not 32 years old. So I'm very happy with that. I think it'll help me out at car shows, having the windows down this summer and really showing the judges that this thing is clean inside and out. Thanks a lot for watching the video. If you guys want some more 300ZX content, let me know. If you have any ideas for videos, drop it down in the comments.